In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube mobile. Dark mode is a great feature that makes the screen easier on your eyes. It changes the background from white to black. This can be helpful when you are watching videos at night or in low light. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app. Now that you're in the app, tap on the U button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on this page, it's time to access settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen for a gear icon. Tap on this icon. After tapping the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page. Here, find and select General. Within General Settings, tap on Appearance. To turn on dark mode, simply tap on Dark Theme. As soon as you do this, watch as your entire YouTube interface transforms into a sleek dark background with light text, perfect for low-light environments. But wait, there's another option available if you're looking for even more convenience. Users can also select Use Device Theme. By choosing this setting, your YouTube app will automatically adjust its theme based on your phone's current theme preferences. If your device is set to dark mode system-wide, then guess what? The YouTube app will mirror that preference and switch over seamlessly. And there you have it. Activating dark mode on YouTube mobile is quick and easy. Not only does it provide an aesthetically pleasing interface, but also helps reduce eye fatigue when watching videos in dim lighting. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.